ready.
All right, we're recording now.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome to this episode. Come here.
I don't think you said that during the video.
The chef and the assistant.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Cooking with Nonno.
Okay,
Here we
that's
go.
what we're doing.
So he started out, he already went ahead and prepped the focaccia. He's made one. This is kind of the idea of what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some art on our focaccia bread. So we have some peppers, some little peppers, and some tomatoes. And we wash them with some, so if you mix some LDC with water in a little spray bottle, you spray it and it gets all the pesticides or whatever off of all your vegetables. So we prep that. These will be little,
Little circle pronto.
yes, they're like little flowers. We also have all these greens here, so you can make,
Green onions,
yeah,
marijuana, majorana,
marjoram, parsley,
Parsley.
rosemary.
etc. etc.
Yes, so that we can make all the stalks of the flowers. So this is the bread it's just been flash baked.
Yeah.
So it's not fully baked yet. So
You
let's
can use
start with,
some of these.
okay, I'm gonna make some flowers. And then we also have some mushrooms and artichokes and olives.
Yes.
Give me some black olives, thank you. And some black
This
olives.
one is
yeah.
ready. Right in the middle there.
Oh, okay.
We can put some black olives in there.
Yeah, here. And then we need to, and then we also have a red onion.
There we go.
Okay.
And you need the long one for the stems right here. This is from the garden. I just pick clear. See, like
I'll
this.
turn this just a little bit so you can see normal.
So it's okay.
There you go. Oh, that's too much.
See,
Okay, that's good.
you can put this.
Here, I'm gonna make it this way.
Okay.
We'll make it a,
Oh, you make that side? Okay, that's fine. So make it short.
Feathers say flowers.
okay. And then we also, this will be good. So the parsley will look
Yeah.
like little leaves
And we got the
coming off of the,
rosemary. Etc. etc.
etc. So the parsley came out of the yard too. So.
Yes, that's from the garden. Okay.
Garden of Eden. Not really, but if you go to my folks' house, it looks like it.
There you go.
Okay.
And the olives,
Let's
red
do it.
pepper, black pepper. You got some old one here.
And do some yellow.
Yeah.
That's red flowers. We could actually make like a bigger flower.
Come on, boys, come over here.
You wanna help make
The
them?
assistant, come. You can put stuff on. It's easy.
All the assistants.
There you
They're
go.
all here, they're just watching.
Make a
Like
different color flower. There you go.
so.
See, nice
That,
one to
and
come.
then the rosemary, we can use the rosemary as like grass.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And you got the mushroom you put on the bottom for the.
So good, rosemary.
There
Here.
you go.
One big sun, put the sun up on the top.
There you go.
It's not supposed to be a Mickey.
Come on, Dylan. Come over
Looks
here.
like a Mickey.
There we go, got a big sun in the top. What else you want to do?
Little
Yeah.
bird.
Then you put the mushroom on the bottom and look like the one over there. And the artichoke you got.
Where do you want to put stuff?
I don't know.
Come on, Dylan.
Like we got some artichokes. Artichokes will be part of the flower too.
Well, it's already there. You just gotta put on it.
See? You just gotta decorate it up.
Put some flower. Make some flowers.
Make flowers.
See, you got the
Parsley.
fresh majorana here. It smells good too. What else we
Okay,
need?
so it's like a little tree. See that? Put it
Yeah.
right in the middle.
Put the
Keep
mushroom on the bottom.
got some
Yes, go
mushrooms
put the
here,
mushroom
too.
all on the bottom, along the
Yeah,
bottom.
here.
Look like the
Little
soil.
rocks.
Yeah.
Rocks.
Yes, put mushrooms on the
To
bottom.
ground good.
Dirt.
Yes, and we'll put, let's see.
Look like this.
You look beautiful. Give me that.
Good.
This week.
Good enough?
Yeah, I'm just gonna use this as a flower. Stick a red
That's a
in the middle.
majorana.
How is it?
No?
So see, for Mother's Day, here's the
Yeah,
kids.
keep going.
Some, no seeds. The thing that's got
Keep going, you're doing great. Let's see, onions, I love the taste of onions.
Yeah.
Let's see, let's make them, we're gonna make it look like some leaves around.
We ran out of mushrooms.
Oh, that's okay.
Could have never suspected that.
This is like a bigger
There
flower.
you go. What about this one here?
Yeah.
You wanna make
On the corner,
make a
right?
butterfly
Or a bird.
or a bird?
Get your fingers dirty.
Like that? How you wanna make it? You need some black? No?
Yeah. There you go. Look like a bird.
Good?
Finish the artichoke up there. You gotta put more around.
Artichoke.
Yeah. Finish it off.
Here,
They're
we
already
got,
marinated
we
anyway.
got some olives. Here, we make them like little stones. Then with this one over. There
So
we go.
that's before and after when we bake it.
Yeah. All right, anything else? What do you wanna add?
Should be pretty good.
Put something on the yellow because.
Right
It's the
here.
sun.
Oh, that's the sun.
That's the sun. See, this is my mother. She's
There you go, the sun. Look at that.
she's commentating.
She's not doing what you said either.
Okay, here. There we go.
There we go.
The happy sun. Okay, we
Happy
want
sun.
the happy sun.
Now it's a butterfly.
There we go. Oh, look at that. That's
What are we
great.
doing? Oh, now you know what you need there?
What?
You need a little bit
Put them, rotate them.
of Parmesan cheese. I got it over there.
Okay.
And you need a touch of oil because otherwise
Olive
it's dried out.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Where's the Parmesan
And then
cheese?
we're gonna bake it for how long?
10 minutes because the veggies are already cooked anyway.
All right.
See, here you go. See like this? Hold on. See, they make the nice little crust in there. Okay, just gotta put a little bit of oil on top and that's it.
It's like it snowed.
Yeah, see how it smells nice?
Okay. Olive oil here.
Okay. There you go. That's it. Look how beautiful it is.
Oh, that's pretty. Good job.
After we're gonna do that one.
Okay.
All right, then we'll put some olive oil.
So we gotta take a picture of these two.
And then we'll see what it looks like
When he wakes up.
after it's cut. All right, well, thank you, and we'll be right back in a
Yeah.
little bit.
That's stuff you need.
All right, so this is what it looks like right before it's going in the oven. It's nice and bright and pretty.
This stuff here.
And then we're gonna
make the
bake
chimichurri.
it at 375
For about 10,
for about
10 minutes.
10 minutes because
That's
it's
all-
already been flash baked once.
Yes. And
It looks like cilantro.
Okay. All right, so now we're gonna be making
the chimichurri.
chimichurri, which you can put on meat, fish,
Steak, whatever.
anything, bread, I mean, whatever you want.
Sure.
It's, so we have, what do we have?
Oil,
Olive oil.
red wine
Red
vinegar.
wine vinegar. There we go. Red wine vinegar.
Then we got a little bit of oregano here.
Oregano. Again from the yard.
And these two from the yard. There's the red
Yes,
hot
these are the little
pepper.
red hot peppers. Check these out. He gets a little,
Cut a little string.
he gets a string and a needle and he strings them up and then they dry and you can just, I have
Oh.
some hanging over there on the side of the
Okay. That's-
cabinet, so whenever you need it,
that's
you don't
about-
need a lot, trust
No,
me.
that's
And don't
all the-
touch your eyes.
Anyway, you start picking the
All
parsley.
right, we have, so we have parsley, also from the yard, marjoram from the yard, rosemary,
Everything.
guess what? From the yard,
Yes.
or the garden, right, the Garden of Eden. Here we
Pick
go.
the leaves only.
All right, so. So here we go with the parsley. Smells good.
We're gonna do, with this recipe, we're gonna do 2 cups.
Okay.
Okay?
And then we have a couple of empty jars
To
that
put it in.
we'll store it in. Keep it in your fridge. It'll last how long?
Yeah, until you finish.
Until it's finished. That's how long it lasts.
Okay, yes.
All right.
The garlic. I need more, a little bit more. We need a little bit of this too. Not too much, otherwise I overpower anyway. Maybe that one should do it. The red pepper is here.
when you don't have a press.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Now depends how spicy you like it. I think that's what we'll do.
That's good.
Yes. Yeah. Then you put the vinegar on this.
I don't have any marjoram.
Huh?
You put marjoram in here?
No, we just cover leaves. There we go.
Okay.
Because the marjoram is not on the recipe.
Gotcha. But I love it.
Okay.
Ready. And now he's gonna chop up all of this.
Put the oil
All,
and the vinegar.
how much oil do you want?
So we want to do 2 cups total. We can use some of these too if you
How
want.
much oil? Half and half?
Maybe a half. And then you put the rest of the other one.
Hey Jeff, can you get the olive oil out of the pantry?
Put what out?
Olive oil. I'm out here. Yeah, we don't have enough.
Put them in there.
This is, yeah, Costco special.
Yeah. See, one thing, once you put them in the refrigerator, because it's olive oil, it's thicken out. So maybe we can put a little bit of the canola in it. Okay?
Like that.
Yeah. Then you need the vinegar, red wine vinegar. Okay.
You want to put the canola in the rest?
Yes. Then you put this, we do total we're gonna have 2 cups. Wait a minute. Don't forget we got this thing here.
Oh yeah, our focaccia.
It's fine. We don't put the other one in.
Yeah.
You want another piece cold? You want to warm this up too. Okay.
This is my 4th piece.
Okay.
We're enjoying the focaccia. The result of our labors.
Okay.
All right.
Now, if you have a nice steak, just to get these and put on it.
True that.
Smells marvelous.
It does smell marvelous. And then you mix it. Because it will, because it's olive oil
Yeah, it just,
and vinegar, it's gonna separate, which is totally fine. You just mix
that's
it
why we
up.
put them in here and then you shake
Yeah,
it.
you shake it before you pour it out.
Yes.
But look, too bad you can't smell it.
I know.
First, they just put in.
Let me see.
Oregano?
A touch of oregano. Fresh oregano.
Oh my God. And that, my friends,
It's
is
not
all you
chimichurri.
need for the chimichurri.
Mix it up before you put it in the oven. There's some at the bottom. See? Perfect. Look at that.
Delicious.
Delicious.
All right.
Mmm, the root kick it too, that's spicy.
Yeah, I'm sure you got the bottom.
I know.
All right. And just close it up, stick it in your fridge, and it's ready to go. And
When it's time to use, just give them a little shake, that's it.
that's it.
That one's
Okay,
ready in there.
this is what it looks like now that we've just pulled it out,
Yes.
and it's ready to be eaten.
Yes.